I'm creating this video as one of the requirements from our class sa Marianum College. I'm taking the Religious Formation Studies certification course, and this is under the Introduction to Sacred Scripture class. So the question is, who speaks first? Tayo ba or ang Diyos? So, I think hindi lang naman ako yung nagtanong kung nasa ng Diyos, totoo ba talaga siya, bakit parang hindi niya ako kinakausap, ganyan. So, the truth is, all those questions come from the deep longing of our hearts. So, bakit nga ba tayo naglulong? Because, according to CCC, kung alam niyo yun, Catechism of the Catholic Church, yan. So it says there, God created us to know, love, and serve Him. So deep within our heart, human heart, is our desire, to love God. So, tawag dito? Kahit ano man yung pagdaanan natin, so mayaman tayo, nalungkot man tayo, lahat yun hindi masasatisfy, hindi tayo mapu-fully satisfy until we rested our heart sa Kanya. According kay Saint Augustine yan, sabi ni Saint Augustine, you have made us for yourself, O Lord, and our hearts are restless until they rest in you. So yan, so who speaks first? God does. So, long before we search Him, bago pa natin siya hanapin, kinakatok niya na yung puso natin. He already placed within our hearts our desire to seek Him.